U.S. stocks stay rallied near session highs Thursday afternoon following a series of better-than-expected earnings as well as an upbeat jobless claims report. Now, first on the U.S. economic front, jobless claims they declined 16,000 last week to a seasonally adjusted 339,000, and analysts had expected 351,000 new claims last week. Gold, meanwhile, that climbed to its highest in 10 days, helped by a weaker U.S. dollar as well as firm prices in other commodities. Meanwhile, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, that eventually reopened trading on all of its products at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this following a system outage. Trading in options on the S&P 500 index and the CBOE Volatility Index were among those affected. And overseas, European shares, they rose after the United Kingdom posted better than expected first quarter GDP numbers, helping the country avoid a triple dip recession. And with oil prices continuing to trade for the most part higher this morning, higher than 2%, as well as the euro remaining steady against the U.S. dollar at $1.30, it looked to be a positive finish to this trading session for the big board. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has closed out this Thursday's trading session. The Dow is on the upside, 24.50 points to settle in at 14,700.80. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, according to reports, Verizon Communications has hired advisors to prepare a $100 billion cash and stock bid to take full control of Vodafone. Meanwhile, amongst earnings, oil giant ExxonMobil gained after the Dow component reported quarterly earnings as well as revenue that beat market expectations. UPS, United Parcel Service, that edged higher after the package delivery company reported earnings that beat forecast thanks to improvements in its ground and export shipments. And lastly, Akamai Technologies, that soared nearly 20% to lead the S&P 500 gainers after it forecast second quarter results above analyst expectations.